The Epson PowerLite 685W projector delivers a very large, bright image from an extremely short distance, which is ideal for classrooms and small meeting spaces where wall shadows are a concern. Its 3-chip liquid crystal display engine produces consistently rich color and solid brightness, so diagrams, text, and video remain clear even with some room lights on. The widescreen native resolution and 16:10 aspect ratio give plenty of horizontal space for modern presentations, documents, and educational software interfaces. Teachers and presenters benefit from flexible connectivity, including digital video and universal serial bus ports, plus optional wireless support that makes it easier to share from multiple devices at once. The long-lasting lamp in economy mode helps keep maintenance intervals relatively infrequent, which is valuable for schools that run projectors for many hours every week. Despite its strong brightness output, the projector remains reasonably compact and manageable to mount, with a design that suits permanent installation above whiteboards.